Hello friends, how are you? This is Ahmed back again from his channel The Book and Talk. So in my last video I explained about the book formatting types, its process, how the thing is going to work. So in this video I am going to explain about the publishing process and how to create the Amazon KDP account and what sort of detail we require during the account creation. So without wasting the time, let's move forward doing our job, and I explain about the process and account creation things. So during the Amazon KDP account creation, we need several of things like some author details like the author name, author first name, author last name, middle name, and if you want to add his pen name, like your real name is Tomoko Kawazu, but you want to use your pen name like Lunali. This is the great example, I think so. And like this information we need, then we move forward. Later, we also need the author contact number and the email during the account creation process. So let's move forward. The legal information during the Amazon KDP account creation process is need like your address, your current address where you're living right now, or the one mentioned on your social security, like your city, state number, street number, house number, these all of the things, and zip code. Let's move forward, and like then Amazon KDP need your bank detail, because as you know, like you publish the book when you get the sales, so Amazon KDP require a platform or where he send you the sales amount. So that is the reason the bank detail is required, the bank account number is required. So it's require your routing number, your account number, your bank name, the name of the account holder name, the your real name on your bank account. Is it John Francis or like John E. Francis? What else it is? You need to provide the exact name or the address again. Once it's done, then we move forward. Also, like is the checking account or individual account? You also need to mention this thing. Then move forward. Like the last detail is required the tax detail. Like you are the American citizen or non-American citizen. That is the reason a tax detail is required for the non-American citizen. There's a long process, and like you need to submit couple of things. Um, and there's some chance the account is passed or not. For the American citizen, it's only required the tax number. If you don't have the tax number, then you can provide your social security number for the verification. Alright, and the last thing here, like this is the information that the publisher is fill out on their during the account creation process, or if you're creating account your own self, so you need this information. But the last step is very important. If you don't do this within 3 business days, your account is getting suspended. Like you cannot use the same email to create the account. Is your picture of your driving license, front and back, clear picture of your driving license. There's some sort of requirement regarding the picture, like the picture is not scanned or not scannable, easily readable. Every single word on when you take the picture, every single word on the driving license is readable. Like this sort of the detail is requirement. The picture is not taken in the dark place or not too much in the bright place, and during when you take the picture your camera flash is not open. All right, like so once you upload the picture on there, Then they ask you again to provide you the verification you are the real person to create this account. So they send you some OTP code which say we one time password. They send you this code on your email and your number which we add on there or you add on there. Then you receive the code. They also provide a link on your email. When you open this link, they ask you to re-upload or scan your driving license. So once you open the link, click on the link, they require the access of your camera. Then you go again and scan your driving license front and then scan your driving license back. Once it's done, the account is getting verified, the account is created. Like this is the process of the account creation. During the account creation you need this detail, but if you don't provide the one thing, like if you don't provide your driving license, so you can provide your passport and other like stuff for the verification like a national ID card, passport. This all detail issue that is issued by your government. So once it's done, like a portal is like an account is created and verify, a portal is open in front of you like where it's add your book. You click on the add the book section, then you proceed with the three process steps. On the first process, like they ask you add your name, your book title, book description, these are sort of things. Then you can save, click on lower bottom, you can click on the save and continue button. Then you will move forward and upload your manuscript and resize book cover. So like if you're doing publish by your own self, so make sure the book cover you have is resized from, and the resize size you get from the Amazon KDP issue platform, which is Amazon KDP calculator. Like on when you go to the calculator where you can easily find the resize size, like you just need to upload some details on there like book size, number of pages, black and white. These all of the thing is required. Let me just open to clearly explain about the Amazon KDP here. Amazon KDP calculator you. Amazon KDP calculator. Okay, so let's do, okay, yes. There's some detail is required like what sort of cover you are asking. Is it pay for the paperback or hardcover? Let's choose the hardcover, black and white, paper time. White paper is pretty good. Reading left to right because English version. In 6 by 9, like 6 by 9 choose number of pages I had in 120. Then calculate dimension. Okay, here's it. Like 4 to 5 questions is ask you, then it will be open. Let me, then you get the resized book cover and these details. So that's it's done. So you upload the manuscript book cover on there, then you press the button again, save and continue. Then they ask you about your pricing. You upload the price, add your price on there, and then publish. Your book is live within 7 business days. This is the process. I believe you like it. I try my best to create a video in which I do the publishing of by my own self and add explaining each and every step, each and everything step by step, so you can have a look and understand it easily. Stay with me, follow me, the book and talk. Have a great day. Bye bye.